process exactly like a professional craftsman. The video begins with surface preparation, which is considered the foundation of every successful marble installation project. You will learn how to inspect the bathroom floor, clean the surface properly, remove dust and weak concrete particles, and prepare the area before applying mortar or tile adhesive. Proper preparation is essential because any mistake during this stage can affect the final result and create problems later, such as uneven flooring, cracks, or water retention. Next, the tutorial explains how to measure the bathroom floor accurately before starting the installation. Correct measurements are extremely important because marble pieces need to be aligned perfectly to create a symmetrical and elegant appearance. You will see practical methods for marking reference lines, identifying the drain position, and calculating the correct slope angle to ensure smooth water flow toward the floor drain without leaving standing water on the surface. One of the biggest challenges in bathroom flooring is creating the ideal drainage slope. Many installers struggle with this step because even a small mistake can cause water accumulation and long-term moisture problems. In this video, you will learn a professional method for forming the perfect slope toward the drain while maintaining a flat and visually balanced marble surface. This technique helps improve bathroom hygiene and prevents water leakage issues in the future. The tutorial also demonstrates how to mix mortar correctly and apply it evenly beneath the marble pieces. Proper mortar distribution is very important because it provides stability and prevents hollow spaces under the marble. Hollow spots can weaken the floor and eventually cause cracks or movement. You will learn how professionals spread the mortar, adjust the thickness, and press the marble carefully to achieve maximum strength and adhesion. Another essential part of this installation process is marble cutting. Bathroom spaces usually contain corners, pipes, drains, and difficult angles that require accurate cutting techniques. In this video, you will discover how to cut marble around floor drains, wall corners, shower areas, and narrow spaces while maintaining smooth and clean edges. These cutting techniques help create a professional finish that looks elegant and perfectly fitted. The video also focuses on marble alignment and spacing. Consistent spacing between marble pieces creates a clean and organized appearance while improving the quality of the final finish. You will learn how to use leveling methods and alignment techniques to keep all marble pieces straight and even across the entire bathroom floor. Precision during this stage is what gives the bathroom a luxurious and modern look. In addition, this tutorial explains how to handle difficult areas around the shower zone and bathroom entrances. These locations often require extra attention because they are exposed to continuous water usage. You will learn how to reinforce these areas, improve waterproofing performance, and maintain proper slope continuity without affecting the beauty of the marble design. Waterproofing is another important topic covered in this detailed installation guide. Protecting the bathroom floor from water infiltration is essential for long-term durability. The video explains practical methods for improving water resistance around drains, edges, and corners to reduce future maintenance problems. Proper waterproofing techniques help protect both the marble flooring and the structure beneath it. As the installation progresses, you will also discover professional finishing techniques used to clean excess mortar, correct small imperfections, and prepare the floor for grouting. These final details make a huge difference in the overall appearance of the bathroom. Clean finishing lines, polished marble surfaces, and balanced spacing all contribute to a premium result that looks modern and elegant. The tutorial continues by showing how to apply grout properly between marble joints while preserving the beauty of the marble surface. Correct grouting techniques improve floor strength, prevent moisture penetration, and create a cleaner visual appearance. You will also learn useful tips for selecting grout colors that match the marble design and enhance the final bathroom aesthetic. Cleaning and maintenance tips are included as well, helping viewers understand how to protect bathroom marble flooring. After installation, marble requires proper care to maintain its shine and luxurious appearance over time. This guide explains simple maintenance methods that help preserve the beauty of the floor and avoid stains, scratches, or moisture damage. This complete bathroom marble installation tutorial is suitable for beginners, construction workers, tile installers, renovators, and homeowners interested in learning modern flooring techniques. Whether you are working on a small bathroom renovation or a large luxury project, the professional methods shown in this video can help you achieve better results with greater confidence and precision. The techniques demonstrated in this video are based on real practical experience and professional craftsmanship used in modern construction projects. Every step is explained clearly to make the process easier to understand and apply. From preparation to final finishing, this tutorial provides valuable information that can help improve your installation skills and achieve high-quality results. If you are passionate about marble flooring, bathroom renovation, ceramic and tile installation, luxury finishing techniques, drainage systems, and professional construction methods, this video will offer a complete learning experience filled with useful details and expert advice. Watch until the end to discover hidden installation secrets, practical tricks, and professional solutions that can completely transform the quality of your bathroom flooring projects. #bathroom marble #bathroom floor tiles #professional tiling.